In this section, we're going to see how to insert the line numbers in IDE. For inserting line numbers in Microsoft Visual Studio IDE, we have to first open the Microsoft Visual Studio. Now, first create a new project by clicking on File, click on New, and then select the project. Now, click on WPF browser application. This is the first screen which is opening for the first time when you are opening any of the projects. Now you're able to see on the screen that there is no line numbers in the text editor of Microsoft Visual Studio. You can insert line numbers in the Microsoft Visual Studio editor by changing settings. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Tools menu and then click on Options. Now this window is flashing over here. You have to just go to the text editor and now select the all languages. And this you have to go to the journal settings. From here you have to click on the line number. जैसे ही आप जर्नल में से लाइन सेटिंग्स को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, ऐसे ही you are able to see on screen the line numbers in the text editor. This is a one-time setting of Visual Studio. Once you have inserted line numbers in Microsoft Visual Studio, then after closing this project, when you open any of the other project, then also the line number will appear in the text editor. So you have to just make this setting only for once. And if you don't want these line numbers, you can obviously reverse the setting. Alright. I have created a new project over here. Here you are able to see on the screen now the line numbers appearing over here. All the social media links are written in the description and the comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good luck.